Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the Python coding. We'll cover essential steps to get you started on your programming journey. First, ensure you're using Python 3, the current standard. Then, focus on mastering fundamental concepts like data types and control flow. Consistent practice is key to building confidence and retaining what you learn. Let's dive into the specifics of setting up your learning path effectively. Setting up your development environment correctly is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Begin by downloading and installing Python directly from its official website. Next, choose a suitable integrated development environment, or IDE, such as Visual Studio Code, which offers excellent features for Python development. Familiarize yourself with basic command line operations. This skill is invaluable for running scripts and managing packages. A well-configured setup makes coding much more enjoyable.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you code with the fantastic Oala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your focus sharp during long coding sessions. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, right in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once your environment is ready, dive into Python's core concepts. Focus on understanding various data structures, including lists, dictionaries, and tuples, which are fundamental for organizing information. Explore object-oriented programming principles to write more modular and reusable code. The best way to solidify your understanding is by immediately applying these concepts to small, manageable projects. This hands-on approach accelerates your learning significantly. As you progress, consider exploring more advanced Python topics. Delve into powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data manipulation, or Matplotlib for data visualization. If web development interests you, investigate frameworks such as Django or Flask. Remember to leverage the vast array of online resources available, including official documentation, interactive tutorials, and supportive coding communities. Continuous learning is vital for growth in programming.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.